hosting a tutorial on how to easily create, and I'm going to log into my account now. Hosting a tutorial on how to easily create any website. So here I am logged in. You can choose to use pre-made templates or use the AI website builder, and I thought we should use the AI website builder to create the website. You just click on the blue button, start creating here. Next step is to tell the AI tool a bit about your site so it knows what to create. So you gotta choose a type. I'm gonna choose a landing page, and then you what you want to call your site, the brand name. And you gotta add a description to your settings as well. So here we are in edit mode at the website the AI page builder created for us. We can change this in any way we want. We can add new section, as you can see here. Add section, and you can preview your page, and you can commit. When you're ready, you can click on this, go live, and it will be live on the web. It has created a complete page here. As you can see, you can if you're not satisfied with something, you can ask the AI here also if you want to change something. Get help changing something, and here you have you just have to click in the field where you want to change the text to change it, or you can click on the images to change those if you're not satisfied with the design or so on. So if you want to create a website within 2-3 minutes, then click the link below. Thanks so much for watching, and have a nice day. Bye bye.